Okay.
So we want to trim this bale to 3/4 of its length.
Yeah.
That's how we're going to do it.
Pop it.
Sean, I'll make a snack tray.
Okay, awesome.
Not yet, remember, Dylan, later.
Yeah. Okay. Pull it out, baby.
What was the bad stuff here?
So we just trimmed the
Okay.
wires that hold the bales right before the knot, so that
That knot will help pull the...
And when we're trying to remove stuff, we kind of dive into it like you would into a swimming pool to remove chunks of it. You want it there, right here, right? Right here?
yeah, a bit more.
Yeah. Just take.
That's a bit too much, I think.
That's too much?
Okay, great.
Bunch here.
Awesome. So we remove the excess that we don't need, and then we take the straps and tie them back together. But before we do that, we have to tighten the straw bale.
Can I make a loop like this here when you did the double?
Do we need to?
I like it. I think it makes it really strong. But
I don't know if we have enough string.
okay.
We're just using old string.
Hold on, before we do that, we have to tighten it, right?
Yeah. That's weird. Should I do that?
You got it all going crooked. See the knot you got?
Yeah.
Now you got to go back out with it.
Yeah, it was crooked in the beginning.
There you go. So, can we do a 180 with it or no? Still no. That ain't going. It won't matter. All right.
Yeah.
I put it in upside down. So, all right. Pull it. Pull it some more. Hold it. Hold on. Hold on. There you go. Now pull it. That should be good. Now you should be able to record it. Are you videoing all this?
Yeah.
There's my string. Ratchet it. Get it tighter. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. Tight it, tight it, tight it. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's all you're going to get, isn't it?
No, we can get more.
That's about it. That's good. See, your strap's going crooked. You're going on top of the teeth. Next thing you know, you're going to rip the strap. Come on, there's 2 strings here.
Take off your gloves, it'll help.
Oh yeah.
Dylan likes his gloves.
I will take them off next time.